Much like the growing popularity of mechanical keyboards, valued by typists and gamers for their precision, durability, and versatility, blender and food processor combos have become kitchen essentials for home cooks and busy families. These appliances combine the power of blending. List number 1. The Ninja BN801 Professional Plus kitchen system is a powerhouse that blends versatility with power. With its 1400 peak watt motor, it easily handles everything from frozen fruits for smoothies to kneading dough. This system comes with 5 preset Auto IQ programs, making it simple to create smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, and even dough with one-touch convenience. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for family-sized servings, while the 64-ounce precision food processor bowl makes chopping, mixing, and slicing effortless. Another highlight is the inclusion of 2 single-serve cups with spout lids, ideal for on-the-go users. The blades are designed for optimal performance, whether crushing ice or finely chopping vegetables. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup. Its robust build ensures long-term durability, though it does take up counter space. Still, for the performance and features offered, it's excellent value for money. Verdict: a complete kitchen system with exceptional power and preset programs, perfect for families and home chefs who want both blending and food processing in one machine. List number 2. If smoothies are your top priority, the Ninja all-in-one blender and food processor shines with its dedicated smoothie-making capabilities. Featuring a 1200-watt motor, it delivers smooth, consistent blends, tackling frozen fruits, leafy greens, and ice with ease. The system comes with a multifunctional blending jar and a food processing bowl, allowing you to chop, slice, and puree alongside making smoothies. Its smart preset programs ensure convenience, letting you achieve consistent results with minimal effort. What sets this model apart is the inclusion of nutrient extraction technology, designed to break down whole fruits and vegetables for maximum nutrient retention. This makes it ideal for health-focused users. The compact design takes up less space than larger systems, while still offering powerful performance. Cleanup is straightforward, as all detachable parts are dishwasher safe. Verdict is best for smoothie lovers who also want reliable food processing. Compact, powerful, and easy to use. List number 3. The Ninja Blender and Food Processor Combo is a versatile mid-range option that strikes the right balance between price and functionality. With a 1200-watt motor, it's powerful enough for blending, chopping, and dough mixing without the bulk of larger models. The package includes a 72-ounce pitcher, a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and single-serve cups, making it suitable for both families and individuals. The stacked blade system delivers consistent crushing power, while the dough blade makes baking prep easier. A highlight is the Auto IQ technology, which uses pre-programmed settings for smoothies, frozen drinks, and food prep. This takes out the guesswork, especially for beginners. It's designed with durability in mind and offers dishwasher-safe components for hassle-free cleanup. While slightly noisy, its performance across both blending and food processing tasks makes it a great value buy. Verdict: a reliable all-rounder that balances performance and price, perfect for everyday use by families and home cooks. List number 4. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System is designed for kitchens where counter space is at a premium. Despite its smaller size, it packs a punch with a 1200-watt motor, ensuring smooth blends and efficient chopping. The system includes a 72-ounce blending pitcher, a 5-cup processor bowl, and single-serve cups with lids, offering flexibility for individuals and small families. The processor bowl is perfect for chopping, grating, and even making dough. What makes this unit stand out is its compact footprint, which fits neatly into smaller kitchens without compromising power. The Auto IQ settings add convenience, letting you handle multiple tasks with one touch. Cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts, and the machine is designed with sturdy materials for long-lasting performance. Verdict: a space-saving yet powerful kitchen system, ideal for small households or those who want versatility without sacrificing counter space. List number 5.
The Ninja Mega Kitchen System is the ultimate option for those who want maximum power and versatility. With an impressive 1500-watt motor, it's capable of handling the toughest tasks, from crushing ice to making bread dough. This all-in-one system includes a 72-ounce pitcher, a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and two 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cups for smoothies on the go. Its wide range of blade assemblies ensures precision in blending, chopping, and dough preparation. The total crushing technology delivers unbeatable ice-crushing power, making it ideal for frozen drinks. Meanwhile, the food processor handles chopping, slicing, and mixing effortlessly. Though slightly larger and louder than other models, its performance and capacity make it well worth the investment for families and serious home cooks. Verdict: a high-powered, all-inclusive kitchen system, best for large households and anyone who wants maximum functionality in one appliance.